Today's project is our 5.0 Mustang, which will be putting a Hotchkis suspension kit, TVS package on it, and a big brake setup. We'll see how it turns out. Just did a Hotchkis suspension on this 2011 Mustang. Front sway bar, and also the big Brembo brake kit. They're actually quite significantly bigger than what we took off. And the rear larger diameter disc. There's all the Hotchkis suspension. Nice rear sway bar. Track bars, the lower control arms. Pan hard. And quite see it that good, but adjustable pinion. Nice setup.